Say hi, Will.
So you should change the name of your page to Brazos Valley Bird Brains. I think it would be catchy.
Why is it every time I turn the camera on, you show me your butt? I don't want to see your butt. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. You're absolutely getting seed all over my computer. Go show me your butt. Got your tail. Got your tail. Why do you show me your butt every time? Why you show me your butt? I don't want to see your butt. I don't want to see your butt. Show me your butt. Show me your butt. Roma, dance. I didn't want that. You're being silly. Roma, dance. Dance. Roma, dance. Okay, now do it. Dance. Roma, dance. There you go. Dance. You gonna fall off. Dance. Oh, come on, give me a good dance. There you go, it's better. Dance. Give me a good dance. Give me a good dance. Dance. Well, it's good enough. Okay, there's one left. One left. You're done. Okay.